All right, welcome to the office, Summerfield Candle Co. 400 candle order, day 2. Let's see what we got. Got about 150 done so far. Almost halfway. Almost. This is our accountant. Here she is. Let's see what we got. Oh. Little wax melter. The old wax melter. Got her fired up too. What do we got here? Bunch of jars, wicked, ready to go. All right. Needs a little cleanup on the side, but.
For what?
You ready to get to work?
I thought you said some sun chips. Yeah.
You ready to get to work?
Yeah, I am actually, Sam. I'm late, as usual. But I'm
Let me see that Justin Herbert haircut.
working on it.
All right, time for a little B-roll, and then we'll get to work.
I'm burnt but don't turn. 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 I just hit some dope pussy, they glad how. They did tat on her face till she tap out. I'm bobbing with bots and they whap that. We keep no hoes out the spot if they cap that. I'm burnt but don't turn.
The first 12 packed and ready to ship. Beautiful. Update, 4 hours in. Hey, book. $100 down, finished product. Working on the next 100. Pouring the third 100. Long ways to go. Stay tuned.
Eos dos.
Let me tell you the tough thing about being a small business owner. Long hours of negative pay.
Yeah, losing money.
Really just losing money
Losing labor hour money.
and time. Weekends might as well be a weekday.
Yeah, my weekdays are my weekend.
Friends? Don't have any. Don't have time for them either.
Don't care. That's why I have a dog.
I'm gonna clean these bad boys up. Gotta scrub this little. Scrub the shit off the sides one by one. We'll check back in at 200.